Hello YouTube, it's Matt Brick here. If you saw my previous video, I made a 4-speed gearbox and I've used it to spin a flywheel. But what I have here now is a 6-speed. Now, I did not make the design. It's actually made by another YouTuber. I think he's got a little over 3 million views on it. The gearbox has an H pattern shifter. This would be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So it kind of just goes to show how realistic some of these Lego products can be. Behind that we've got a Lego engine. Now this engine is actually made by Replica Motorsports. It's an American based company, and they did such a great job with the detail in it. You got the crankshaft, the water pump, the 2 manifolds, exhaust and intake, and it's actually a model of the 4G63, you know, in the Mitsubishi Evos. But they do make a lot more than this. They make Case series if you're a Honda fan, the EJs for the Subaru, and I'm actually quite pleased. And what's cool about the company is that they actually send everything as one whole unit. You got the parts and the instructions. You don't have to source them out individually on Bricklink. If you're in the UK, it might take a little longer to get here, but I've waited only a week and a half and it came. So you can see this whole unit kind of like sitting on a desk. It's actually pretty cool, very realistic how, you know, first gear, the output shaft turns very kind of slow. 6th gear, you've got a lot more speed but a lot less torque. So enough talking, we could head downstairs and kind of see how this would sound on the little mock-up I made. So the engine doesn't actually have any pistons. It kind of just more or less goes round. In this case, I got it hooked up to an electric motor. Now nothing's moving because the transmission's in neutral. But not like the previous video, I've actually incorporated a freewheeling clutch. This allows power to be only transferred in one direction, kind of like a bicycle where you can coast if you stop moving the pedals. So in this case, if I stop the motor, it could still kind of coast along. Right, we can put in first gear. Give the motor enough power. Just do the shifting. Yeah, the electric motor doesn't have enough torque to overcome 5th and 6th, but we'll put it back in neutral and you can actually kind of see how much inertia there is in the flywheel. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be posting a lot more, so it's something to look out for. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this Lego video, and I'll see you in the next one.